Hello friends. Today we will learn about how you can change your WordPress language after installation. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to log in into your WordPress administration dashboard. So go to your website and then go to WP admin and log in into your dashboard. Once you are on your dashboard, you go to settings. On the settings menu, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see site language. Click on the site language and select the language you want to change your WordPress installation to. So I'm going to select Spanish and then click Save Change. And there we go. The moment you change it, everything, all the menus and all the notifications will be changed as per your language. So this is how you change your website language on WordPress.